Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to do the unboxing of vivo Y73 smartphone. This is the latest smartphone by Vivo, and if you talk about its internal storage, you can see 128 GB ROM and 8 GB RAM. It comes with only this internal storage variant. Okay, so now quickly open the box. So here we get the small box, and inside it we get some reading manuals, and this is the SIM ejector pin. Keep this aside, and guys, this is the transparent back case, and here's the font itself. You can see it is in a diamond flare color. Roman black color is also available. Okay, keep this aside and see what also we get inside the box. Okay, so guys, this is a really good thing. Here we get the premium earphones in the box, you can see, which is a really good thing. And this is the USB Type-C to USB cable, and this is the big 33-watt fast charger you get in the box. Cool, that's all. Keep this aside and come to the phone. So you can see here's the phone itself. Now remove its plastic cover. So you can see it has anti-fingerprint glass back. Here you can see it has anti-fingerprint glass back over there. You can see. Don't worry about fingerprint marks. Here you can see you have no worry about the fingerprint marks because it has anti-fingerprint and anti-glare glass back. Here you can see sparkling pattern. Here you can see this is the sparkling pattern design look. Here you can see, which is really looking good. Yes, the design is overall gorgeous. You can see the gorgeous design. And if we talk about its physical overview, in top we get the secondary microphone, and on this side we get the volume up and down and power on off key. On bottom we get the main speaker, USB Type-C port, main microphone, and this is the 3.5mm headphone jack. And on this side we get this SIM tray. Okay, now quickly eject it and see what specification we get out of it. So guys, this is a really good thing. It has a triple card slot. You can insert 2 nano SIM and 1 micro SD card, which is a really good thing. And if we talk about the front, it has AMOLED display and a 16 megapixel front camera over there. And on back it has 64 megapixel, 2 megapixel and 2 megapixel triple rear camera setup, and over there you can see 64 megapixel with a dual LED flash. Guys, the look, here you can see it has ultra slim 7.38mm body. You can see the thickness is 7.38mm only, and the weight is only 170 gram. The lightweight and ultra slim body, you can see. Phone looks brilliant. You can see with gorgeous body, phone looks brilliant. So now quickly boot this up and set the device. Okay, by the time it boots up and I set it up, I will give you its configuration overview. It has a MediaTek Helio G95 octa-core processor. It comes with 6.44-inch AMOLED Full HD Plus display. It supports dual nano SIM with dedicated micro SD card slot support. And if you talk about the internal storage, it comes with 128 8GB internal storage variant. It has triple rear camera, 64 megapixel f1.79 aperture, 2 megapixel bokeh and 2 megapixel with macro sense. It has 16 megapixel f2.0 aperture front camera. If we talk about the battery, it has 4000 mAh battery which supports 33-watt flash charging. And if we talk about the software, it is running on FunTouch OS 11.1 based on Android 11. And for better security, it has in-display fingerprint and face unlock for better security. So here you can see I have set up the device. This is the UI of vivo Y73 smartphone. It supports HDR10, and if you talk about the maximum brightness, it has 570 nits maximum brightness. You can see, and it comes with AMOLED display. You can see, so guys, the display is looking very vibrant. You can see If we slide from top, we get the notification bar, and helpful quick settings are also available there, and brightness adjustment also available. And if we slide from bottom, we get the app drawer. And if we talk about the display, here you can see the display is looking brilliant. Here you can see the vibrant display. You can see, take a closer look. Yes guys, the display looking awesome. Okay, now quickly go to settings and check how much storage we get out of 128 GB. So here you can see 19.79 GB used out of 128 GB, and you can also manage the storage, which is a really good thing. And if we go in RAM, so here you can see 2.45 GB used out of 8 GB, and here you can see plus 3 GB in total. This is the extended RAM technology. You can also turn it on or off from there. Okay, now quickly go to about phone. So you can see the phone info, Fun Touch OS, device name vivo Y73. It has a MediaTek Helio G95 2.5 GHz octa-core processor. And you can see this is a RAM 8 plus 3 GB. The 3 GB of phone storage can be used to expand RAM. And it is running on latest Android 11. Okay, now go back. Phone storage is also shown here. And if we talk about the software info, you can see it is running on Fun Touch OS 11.1 global. And if we talk about the Android security update, you can see it is offered June 1, 2021, and Google Play system update is offered December 1, 2020. Yep guys, the UI of this smartphone is really smooth, and the display, you can see the display is gorgeous. The design you can see. And if we talk about the brightness, you can see, yes, the AMOLED screen looking brilliant. And the UI is smooth. You can see the UI is really smooth. And if we talk about its camera quality, here are some shots I took with the vivo Y73 smartphones in different modes. And if we talk about its in-display fingerprint and face unlock performance, yes, it comes with in-display fingerprint, which is a really good thing. So let's check this out. Here you can see the animation pops out. I put the finger and it unlock. Animation pops out. I put the finger and it unlock. Do it many times. Try another way. As you can see, the fingerprint of this smartphone is really, you can see, really fast and responsive. Here you can see I put and it unlock. Yes guys, the fingerprint, in-display fingerprint of this smartphone is really fast and responsive. You can see I put and it unlock. And if we talk about its face unlock, I'm not seeing, I see and it unlock. Yes guys, both face unlock and in-display fingerprint, both are really very fast and responsive. You can see I put and it quickly unlocked the phone. So guys, this is the unboxing of vivo Y73. It's my style smartphone. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any particular question about this device, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for latest updates.